Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. Finally friends, the Redmi did launch the Redmi Note 11 series lineup. Yes friends, there are three different smartphones which did launch. So starting with the first phone base variant, which is a Redmi Note 11, and second is a Redmi Note 11 Pro, and third is a Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus variant. So the Pro 1 and the Pro Plus will look the similar. So outside, as you can see, this is the exact design. This is how it looks, the boxy type design, as you can see exactly. So same type of design the both phones will be having, but the base variant will be having the different design. So this is the base variant. This is how it looks on the back side. You can clearly see slightly kind of rounded off, not the boxed off design. But in this video, let's take a look at the specifications related to all the three smartphones in this one single video, which will give the clear idea what is going on with all this Redmi Note 11 series lineup. In case if they're planning to launch in India, this can really be a very good advantage for you to get to know what is up to right now. And then you can actually decide whether to buy any smartphone during these sales or should you wait for the Redmi Note 11. Starting with the first phone, which is a Redmi Note 11 device, which has got the 6.61 inches screen size, as you can see, full HD AMOLED screen size, which has got the refresh rate of 90 Hz refresh rate. So we got to know about the display of the base variant, which is Redmi Note 11, and which will be having the MediaTek processor 810 Dimensity 810 processor, which is present in this phone. Along with that, the base variant will start up to I think 6 GB of RAM variant. I think maximum variant will be there, and the battery capacity will be 5000 mAh of battery capacity with 33 watt fast charging support is also available for the base variant. The phone has got the 50 megapixel main sensor, and along with that there will be 8 megapixel ultra wide megapixel and the 16 megapixel front camera as well. So these are the details for the base variant. So the key points are the display, AMOLED display plus 90 Hz, and processor Dimensity 810 processor, and the battery 5000 mAh of battery and 33 watt fast charging, camera which is 50 megapixel camera. This is for the base variant. So next for the Redmi Note 11 Pro, which has got the specifications of 6.67 inches screen size and 120 Hz refresh rate we'll be having, and 360 or 320 Hz touch sampling rate. I think 360 Hz touch sampling rate will be there in this device, and the device will be powered by the Dimensity 920 processor, as you can see. Dimensity 920 processor, that's something new from the Dimensity processor, and which will be having the 8 GB RAM variant, and also battery will be 5000 mAh of battery capacity and 67 watt fast charging will be there in this device, which is in the Pro model. And along with that, there will be 108 megapixel back camera lens, and with the 8 megapixel ultra wide lens and 60 megapixel selfie camera and 2 megapixel macro lens as well. So three cameras on the back side, and front camera which has got 16 megapixel. And the key points in this Redmi Note 11 are the Dimensity 920 processor and 5160 mAh of battery capacity and 67 watts charging. These are the key points you should definitely remember in this Redmi Note 11 Pro. And the Note 11 Pro Plus, everything is same like the Pro model, but except the fast charging. The Pro Plus, which has got the 120 watts super fast charging, which is present and which can charge in 15 minutes of time. That is what the Pro Plus model has got. That's a really good advantage in terms of fast charging. As you can see, 120 watts maxed out fast charging support. That's pretty good deal for the Pro Plus model. So Pro and the Pro Plus got a little bit kind of change only in the fast charging, and the battery capacity is only 4500 mAh of battery capacity, which can charge within 15 minutes of time. That's very interesting thing, friends. 15 minutes, that's very fast. So for the fastest, we have seen about I think close to 29 minutes of time, which is present right now with me as well. Couple of phones. So Realme GT, which can charge sometimes 28 minutes, and OnePlus Nord 2 also, which can charge in 27 minutes and 28 minutes with the same 4500 mAh of battery capacity. But this phone can actually do in 15 minutes of time, the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus model. So now when it's come to the pricing, the Redmi Note 11, the base variant, which has been released for about Chinese currency of 1199, which is equivalent to the Indian currency of 14,000. You can see here, I'm trying to convert. And next the Redmi Note 11 Pro, which is equivalent to the Chinese currency, as you can see, 1599. We need to type the same thing, which is equivalent to the 18,700 rupees, as you can see, in Indian currency. And Pro Plus, which has been cost around 1899. So 1899, so which is about 22,000 rupees. So if you add all the import and export, all the taxes, maybe we may see slightly more price, maybe 5,000 more or somewhere around that. It can be possible, but definitely friends, if the Pro Plus get launched in India below 30,000, that will be really good deal for this kind of super fast hyper charging, which is 120 watts charging. But let's see what the Redmi will be planning, whether they'll be launching this Pro Plus model in India or not. That's a really interesting thing to see. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, what are your thoughts on this Redmi Note 11 Pro? Are you interested to wait and buy these phones, or are you buying some other phones? Let me know in the comment section below. But for me, it doesn't look much kind of difference at this moment, apart from few things. The processor, Dimensity 920 processor, which is 5 lakhs, which is slightly kind of close to Snapdragon 778G processor, especially if you compare the benchmarks and everything, Dimensity 920. And that's what the advertisement the Redmi team they did do. Dimensity 920 with the 5 lakhs of benchmarks using the annual benchmark version, which is 9 version, latest version only, not the 8 one, 9 one. So it can be very close to Snapdragon 778G processor. So definitely, friends, not in the performance segment, maybe in the display also nothing much difference. So there are difference maybe in the camera and fast charging 120 watts. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. This is a quick specifications and the price details of these phones. And see you in the next video, friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.